Hey everybody, so we got an unboxing and informational and specs video, probably a small little demo as long as I don't blind you guys, on the Dewalt Connect DCL074 radius light. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're going to do an unboxing and specs video and stuff on this DCL074 Dewalt Connect Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled 20 volt max lithium ion radius sight light. This runs off Tool Connect. It's got inventory management, find and locate, schedule, on and off ability, wireless controls. It's Bluetooth. You can get it on Google Play or Apple Android store. It's a Dog Charlie Lima 074. Dog Charlie Lima 074. It is IP54 rated, E1 standard LED up to 5,000 lumens. It's Tool Connect. Let's get this guy cut open. That's the best angle I could do for you guys at the moment. There's a lot of tape on this box. I don't know if this was a returned item or if it just DeWalt sent it with a lot of tape. I have no idea. So we're going to unbox it. Looks very nicely packaged in the box. Get these corners out real quick. I've been eyeballing this for a while since it was released. I don't think you can get this at Home Depot, or some Home Depots I don't think you can get it at. I haven't seen it at very many places. Not a whole crap lot of packaging, just enough to make sure that it didn't move. I do like how it was packaged though. That box. Oops, I hit the dog's ball. Thrown in the living room, or technically the garage. Comes with the instruction booklet. Wireless certificate and safety instructions inside that booklet. This is a pretty neat light. You can run it off of 20 volt max batteries. You can run it off the Bluetooth batteries, as well as the you can run it off the flex volt batteries as well. Has a very huge, massive heat sink. It's not easy to show. Oh, yeah, I can get a little view. These cutouts actually allow air in to allow the heat sink to cool down the LED. The LED has its own dome as well, which I'd assume would make this pretty waterproof because the LED is housed in its own dome. Yeah, there's a magnetic pull on this tray. Yep, little magnet right here. It's pretty deep. The biggest flex volt battery I have is a 9 amp hour at the moment. You put it in upside down. Looks like it's got plenty of room for you to stick a 12 in here. Okay. turn this over. So I'm going to turn the light on, so just be cautious. Woo! That is bright. Wow. Definitely bright. 2, 1, 2, 3. You can hear it humming on medium, which is the pulse width modulation. Low and medium it hums, and it makes the camera ripple, which is the pulse width modulation. On high, it doesn't. So it's similar to all the Milwaukee lights. It is more of a whitish yellow, kind of almost dang near identical to the Milwaukee TrueView lights. And turn that off so I don't blind you guys for too long. Let me grab my phone. Dang. I think I partially blinded myself because now I'm seeing all these lines when I blink. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so DeWalt Tool Connect. And all I did was push the Tool Connect button. It lights up blue. Gotta select my country for whatever reason. The app reset. Oh, got an update. That's what it was. Let me get us logged back in here. There, push and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds till it starts flashing. It popped up on the app. Says it's in range. Click on it. Okay. Shows the battery. Whoa. Can't hold the phone for some reason. Last seen 8/27/20. And it's counting 1604. When it turns to 1605, it will change to 1605, which is nice. This is diagnostic information, total time running, first pair date, firmware version, hardware version. You click the identify button and it will more than likely flash the tool. Yep, pulses it from high to medium, or high to low, probably low. Turns it off. Okay. Actions. You can turn the light on. It's going to come on. And it looks like you have an infinity amount of adjustability on the light, where you don't just have to use it at low, medium, or high, but you can adjust it in between low, medium, high. And it's kind of hard to see on the camera the tiny micro adjustments that I'm making, but that is a very, very nice feature. It has an eco mode as well. You can turn that on or off. You can schedule it so to come on at a specific time, which you can push the button just to turn it off. It's nice that you can control it just through the app. Alerts, in range, battery has low charge, diagnostic, lights off. I think it's very neat that you can set it to schedule. It actually brings up an actual Monday through Sunday schedule. You can set it to go on at 8 a.m. for an example and turn off at 10 a.m. or go on at 9 p.m. and turn off at midnight because you're working late. It's a very neat feature. You know, the pulsing, you know, identify it is also a nice feature in case, you know, I'm under a vehicle and I got the vehicle fixed. It's a nice feature that I could remind myself that, you know, hey, you know, don't forget this, stuff like that. It's got some nice features. You don't necessarily need the app to use it. You can control everything from the front. Not a big deal. It shows on the app when I'm pushing the buttons. Low is not completely low. It actually goes down a little bit further when you push the button. Actually goes quite a bit lower. Somewhere in the range of, I don't know, 20 or 30 lumens lower. It is very bright. You know, I do have lights on in here. We're definitely going to have to test this out against the M18 Rover that I have, that I did a previous video on before this one. I do like the massive amount of heat sink that it has. It's huge. Looks like a giant aluminum flower. It's very, very cool. And the light is actually right here in the center in that secondary dome, which is kind of hard to see, but it's very hefty light. It's not light, especially with this 9 amp hour battery in it, but I'm sure you could probably, yeah, I could fit my hand in there. My hand's on top of the battery, and I can fit my hand in there. You more than likely probably have no issue putting a 12 amp hour in there. Oops. That's interesting. That ting, like metal sound. It's very magnetic. You know, we just demonstrated it, didn't mess with the battery at all. I could try put the battery on, you know, charge. It's probably going to tell me it's full anyways. But, you know, just a little unboxing demonstration video. This is set at 5,000 max lumens. That M18 Rover that you can get for $149. Normally you can get it for in the range of, here I'll show you, that one right there. You can normally get that one in the range of, if you buy a select battery kit, you can get that as an option for a free tool. But, you know, for $179 plus tax, which came out to $193, this is a very great option, especially when the Milwaukee model that's capable of doing the amount of lumens that this guy does is $499. And Workshop Addict, I'll put a video up here for his video as well as his channel. Workshop did an Addict, and the Milwaukee shattered. They dropped this one from like 10 or 12 something feet a few times, and it just had a couple scuff marks on the arms. It didn't have any issue taking any drops. The lens didn't shatter, you know, but the Milwaukee did, which kind of sucked. I was like, dang, man, that Milwaukee was nice. But, you know, it is what it is. It still worked, but it just wouldn't retain a battery anymore. But, you know, if there's anything, any kind of video you guys would like me to do, I'm probably thinking about doing this up against that radius sight light, as well as the rover light outside in the dark, you know, at 2 o'clock in the morning. You just do comparisons. Can do comparisons in the house when it's dark too, but you know, I think it would look better outside, just to give an idea of how far it would go. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me, checking out this awesome new light that I picked up. It's going to get a lot of use. I normally throw several lights in a vehicle. I'll throw, you know, a flashlight. You know, depending on what the job is, I'll throw one of these and one of these, and sometimes I take one of each light. You know, I just throw a bunch of lights in there with a bunch of batteries, and you know, it just gives me an opportunity to throw a Dewalt light in the truck for service calls. And you know, if there's anything you guys want to see or any more information I can give you guys, please just, you know, don't bother, or don't bother, but don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know. I'll do my best. And while you're down there, you know, go check out, or please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links if you guys are interested in drones or cameras, electronics, stuff like that. As well as, you know, I would have totally appreciated if you guys went and checked out the Milwaukee NPS 2020 episode 1 live event that I recorded for you guys, live streamed for you guys. And, you know, if anything that you might be interested in at Milwaukee, you know, even though we're talking about Dewalt today, wouldn't bother me any if you guys wanted to go check out some Milwaukee. And, you know, they have a bunch of tools coming out, and I did put a bunch of links in that live stream if you guys are interested in going and checking out any of these new tools Milwaukee's releasing, or you want to pre-order them. Appreciate it if you pre-ordered anything. You use one of my links on that channel. It helps me with the channel, helps me buy tools like this for review and usage, and see how it holds up in the future. There isn't a lot of videos on this light. I think Workshop Addict and maybe 2 other people did a video on this light, or three or 4 other people. It was only like 5 or 6 videos on this light. So, you know, I appreciate your guys' time, and you know, hopefully if there's anything you guys are interested in on that Milwaukee video, shoot me a message and let me know that it was helpful. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!